even though I'm not really dressed for the occasion, I'm out at this body of water with a big gun, just photographing a heron feeding, just for something to shoot, and of course having a beer. It's nice out. And I've basically been scoping, wandering all through here. I went way around the other edge, looking for infrared possibilities, and I think I have one for the winter time. I'm gonna do that tree right there. Oh no, not that one. That one. When all the leaves are gone, and I'm gonna use a new filter that I'm waiting to get in the mail. I got it for shooting the solar eclipse on the 16th, but I also want to do extremely long exposures, and I wish I would have had that filter when I was in Slovenia, because my waterfall shots would have been a lot better. It's a 10-stop neutral density filter, infrared neutral density filter. I'm not sure how it'll work on a regular camera, but we'll see how it goes with the D810. Alright, well, I'm gonna keep shooting before the sun goes down.